Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add the whole internet page to a Samsung Note on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's say, for example, you want to add all of these notes onto a Samsung Note. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your internet browser. Go ahead and browse to the website where you want to copy everything off it. Now next, you want to go ahead and copy the link. Go ahead and copy the link. Next, you want to go ahead and open the air command, open up Note. Now this will open up a new note. At the bottom here, you'll see you can paste the link or you can paste the whole page. So we'll go ahead and paste the whole page. Now give it some time and it'll paste everything, whatever you have copied, onto this note. And there you go. It has copied everything onto your Samsung Notes. So there you go, guys. That is how to copy the whole internet page to your notes on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.